Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Human and today is the second session of Arduino Prerequisites. And I'm here to talk to you and explain some information about Arduino operations. So if you like this content, I'm glad to subscribe my channel and like my videos. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, operators are used to perform operations on variables and value. For example, here we use the addition operator to add together two values. Here is an example. Int x equal 100 plus 50, and that's it. Although the addition operator is often used to add together two values, like in the example above, it can also be used to add together a variable and a value, or a variable and another variable. For example, here you can see sum 1 equal 100 plus 50. Sum2 equals sum1 here, sum1 plus 250, and here sum3, sum2 plus sum2. Okay? And that's it. Sum2 is point to this. Here is sum2 and here is sum2 plus sum2. And that's it. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform common mathematical operations. Okay guys, now I want to show you how to use operator in Arduino IDE. As you can see here, I made three variables. Then I connected my Arduino to my computer that I can see the result from serial monitor. You can see serial.begin 9600 rate bound and semicolon. And here you can see the arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment, and decrement. Okay, I think you should also practice at home. It's good for you to practice operators. Okay, let's go to the next part. Okay guys, assignment operator. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. In the example here, we use the assignment operator equal to assign the value 10 to a variable called x. You can see here. Okay, and the addition assignment operator adds a value to a variable. Here is an example. You can see int x equal 10, x plus equal 5, semicolon. Plus equal 5 is addition assignment. It means that x equal x plus 5. The result of this line is 15. It's very easy. I will show you in Arduino IDE. And here are assignment operators. Okay, let's go to Arduino IDE and I will show you the result and example of assignment operators. Okay guys, now it's time to see example of assignment operator. I wrote for you this code and now I want to show you the example of assignment operator. Here is equal, here is addition assignment, subtract assignment. I put the link of this code for you. You can download and read it. It's very good for you if you download and read and write this code at home. Okay, let's go to upload this code to my Arduino. And here serial monitor, you can see the result: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment. And yeah, you can see the result here. Okay, let's go to the next part. comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare two values or variables. This is important in programming because it helps us to find the answer and make decision. The return value of comparison is either 1 or 0, which means true or false. These values are known as Boolean values, and you will learn more about them in if-else chapter, so don't worry about that. For example, here we use the greater than operator to find out if 5 is greater than 3. You can see here x equal 5, y equal 3, and x greater than y returns 1, true, because 5 is greater than 3. And that's it. Comparison operators. A list of all comparison operators here. Now I want to show comparison operators in Arduino IDE. So let's go. Okay guys, for this part, first of all, I use equal to, then not equal, and greater than, and less than, greater than, or equal to, and less than, or equal to. For example here, x equal to y, and that's it. It's very simple. You can write this code by yourself. Okay, now I want to upload this code to my Arduino and open serial monitor to see the result. Okay, here you can see the result, and that's it. And guys, here I used exit function to finish the program. If you want to finish the program, you have to use exit function. And for the last part, logical operator. As with comparison operators, you can also test for true or false values with logical operators. Logical operators are used to determine the logic between variables or values. You can see the list of logical operators here. Logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT. Logical AND returns true if both statements are true. For example, if x here is 2, 5 is greater than 2, and 10 is greater than 2. So the result of this line is true, means that 1. Okay, that's it. Logical OR returns true if one of the statements is true. For example, here, if x is equal 4, 4 is not greater than 4, but 5 is greater than 4. But here we use OR operator, okay? So the result of this code is true. And logical NOT reverses the result, returns false if the result is true. And it's very easy. And now I want to show you in Arduino IDE. So let's go. Okay guys, for this part, logical operator, I wrote logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT, as you can see in the picture. And then I wrote example of these logical operators. It's very easy. You can write this code at home. And I think it's very good for you because this exercise is suitable for you and help you to write the code very easily. Okay, let's go to upload this file and then open serial monitor. Part 4, logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT. Okay, I think that's enough for this session. For next session, I want to explain some information about condition. So, see you in next session. Goodbye.